Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over and joining me here on my channel, Septeria18. I have here a really fun and easy project to show you if you want to give this a go. And I've called it a multi-pocket insert because there are a few pockets in here where you could have, you can add some of your packaged goodies, some of your packaged handmade jewelry, some notes, whatever you like, because there are good sized pockets. And this is what I'd made, and I had so much creating this. And I'm also going to show you how you could also make one of these as well if you want to give this a go. But let me just show you the inside and what I've got in here so you could see what you can fit in the pockets as well. So over here I did dress up the front with some of these cute little paper tassels that I'd made. And I will do a tutorial in my next video and show you as well how you could make these quite easily. And they just look really pretty decorated in the front. And then this is a chiffon flower with a tulle that I just wrapped around the part where I punched the hole, and just to pretty up the pocket. And I thought that looked really nice there. I also added some pom-pom trim here to the bottom as well of the pocket. And just thought it looks really pretty. So I'm going to show you what I've got inside and where the pockets are. So over here in the front is a side tuck pocket. So it's a good size in here as well. So I've got some packaged ephemera in here. So that fitted in there nicely. And then I also have this little piece of, one of the little pieces of paper with a vellum tuck spot, which I had done a tutorial in my last video, how you can make these using your paper scraps. And I used the junk journal theme to make them. And I'll put that link down below if you want to make one of these. And it's just really just a simple little way to make a little tuck spot. And I thought this would look great here on the front as well, and you can adhere it to the front and just glue in the three sides to have another place to add some more of your smaller pieces or small die cuts. And so that would fit perfectly there. And this little piece was a piece that is part of this pocket that we need to cut out so you don't waste any of the paper. And I'll show you how to, or where the paper is that you need to cut out to make that. But I've also got here a paper clip, which is also a great little addition to gift. So that pretties up the front as well. And then here is another pocket here in the middle. So this is how it looks like. So you can see it's nice and wide, enough to fit some bulky packaged items. But I've got in here one of my little mini flip books that I'd made a while back, and I had done a tutorial. It's a 3x3 size mini flip book with double pockets. So let me just show you the inside quickly. So this is one of the pages where I've got an envelope. There is a pocket up here. And then when you turn it over, there is another pocket on this side with a double page. And then I've just placed a little quote with some vellum flip. And then you turn this over, and there is another page here. And I've just placed some packaged die cuts in some, I think this is like parchment paper. And then I added some washi, and that's the back. So it's a cute little mini album, and that just fitted in here perfectly. So if you have 3x3 mini albums or 3x3 pockets, that'll fit in here nicely. And then at the back here is another pocket. So you can see that's the pocket here at the back. So you can see there is heaps of room to open up. And then I've got one of my paper patchwork envelopes in here. And I've made my own bag topper with a pocket for your gift tag. And again, I've done a tutorial on how you can make these bag toppers with a gift tag holder. So there are 3 pockets here, so you could put your fun stuff in there. So there's 1, 2, and 3, and then this is the back, which you could also then make this as another side pocket if you like as well. So you can add a letter or an envelope, and this could also be a pocket. And I'll show you how that would look like if you wanted to do that. But let me show you how easy it is to make one of these. And you only need 2 pieces of papers to make this multi-pocket insert. So what you need, you're just going to need 2 pieces. And you want to cut one piece at 4 inches by 12 inches. And then you want to cut another piece at 3 inches by 4 inches. And then with this piece, you want to line your 12-inch side on the scoreboard, and you want to score it at 4 inches and 8 inches. So you want to get 3 even panels at 4 inches apart. And then this piece here, you'll want to line that at the 3-inch side, and you're going to score it at 1 inch. So this paper here is single-sided paper. This one here that I made, it's a double-sided paper, so you get to see both sides of the pattern. But I'm going to use a single-sided paper for those that only have single-sided paper. So over here, on the right side, you're going to fold this back on that 8-inch score line. And then you're going to bring this back this way and fold that over. It's quite pretty straightforward. And then, so when you open it, it looks like a letter Z. So it's just more or less just folding it like that. So as long as you have this part in the front. And now what we want to do here, you're going to grab this piece and you're going to fold it towards you. And you just want to fold it about a ½ an inch from the fold line. So about that much is fine. I'm going to fold that down. And then what we're going to do here, we are going to remove this piece. So we're going to cut this out by following that fold line. So just going to cut that across. And then this piece here, so this is why I've made it with single-sided paper. If you don't want to see this white part, this piece here, you can adhere that to, I'll open this up, so you can adhere that to the corner here, so that way it will look like one piece. Or if you have double-sided paper, or if you're happy having it like this piece here is what I had made, this cute little tuck spot. And all I'd done here was I just turned it this way and tore the paper. So it sort of looks like a little angle piece. And then I just cut another piece of vellum, or you can cut another piece of paper, and then just placing it on the front. And then I added some washi, and then just folded it at the back down the bottom to create the tuck pocket. But you can see the tutorial in in the other video if you click on the link. But I'm going to adhere that to the pocket. So all I do here is I'm just going to glue the whole piece and then place it on the corner. So that's how it's going to look. And then if you want to have a thumb notch in the middle, we can go ahead and do that now. If you don't, you can still leave it like this. But all we're going to do is we're going to go to this middle panel, and then you're going to just use your circle punch out half a circle. So now that will give you a thumb notch up the top. And then we're going to open this up, and we're going to apply glue all along the bottom here. And then we're going to bring that back and seal that off, and that will give you this top pocket. And we still have this opening, so we're going to work with that one in a second. Now we're going to grab this piece, and we are going to glue along the side here and along the bottom. And then we're going to bring that forward, and then we'll seal that off. And that will give you the middle pocket here, and that still has an opening there. Okay, so that should be sealed, and then we have that up here. Now we'll grab this piece here, and we are going to fold this over, and that's where you scored it at 1 inch. and then it's going to slide in this way. So you're going to have the 1 inch folding part at the back and this part here. And so what we'll do now first, we're going to go to the back here. We'll take this apart. Now this part here, you can have this as your side tuck pocket for the back. And if you want to do that, you're just going to put glue along the top here and along the bottom here. And then you'll seal that off, and that will give you a tuck spot. And if you don't want to do that, we're just going to glue along here. So to create this side, you want to glue up the top, along the inside of that fold line, and along the bottom. And then you will place it onto the back. But and if you don't, you just glue the whole panel. But you know what, I will make the side pocket just in case you decide you want to make one. And then I'm going to glue the inside of that fold line. Again, if you don't want to, just glue the whole panel. So now let's just place that along the back. So that will now give you a side tuck pocket in the back here. We'll turn this around to the front now. Now we have this piece. We're going to just gently open up that middle pocket. We're going to tuck this piece inside in line with that part that we had made the cut. So that's going to create a little tuck pocket here. We're just going to open this up now. Now we've made the little fold. We are going to glue this whole triangle piece and along the top there and along the bottom. And then just along the top and down here. And we're going to just open this up, close this, tuck that inside, press that down, press it up here, down the bottom, and now that should complete your multi-pocket insert. And I forgot to mention, if you wanted to add the trim, you add the trim before you fold everything over, which I should have done, which I do apologize. So before you place this, you want to add the trim first, and then you assemble everything. I was going to open it up, but I don't think I can. Let me see. No, I can't now, but I should have shown you how to do that. But you have the idea when you fold your pocket over. But this is how it looks like. So here we got your front side tuck pocket, you've got your middle, and you have your back. And in this case, you have another one here at the back here if you want to add some more bits and pieces in there. And then if you don't want to create that little triangle piece, you can create a little tuck pocket or use some of your scrap papers if you want to add another little tuck spot here. So you can have another 2 more little tuck spots in the front to add more little inserts. So this is my little multi-pocket insert for you for this video, and I will come back and show you how to make these little paper tassels in my next video. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.